Hello everyone, this is Lavanya from Haya Fabrics. Yes, we are very glad to introduce our Haya Fabrics to all you. Haya Fabric is a trusted traditional hand-woven fabrics across India. Here we bring original, real quality of fabrics direct from the weavers to you. And today I am going to show you the best part of Rajasthani dresses, which comes with applique work and hand batik print. Let's take a quick look. Yes. And this is the first dress which I am going to show you. Yes, this is the top. It's a beautiful black combination with red and brown color. Here this is a applique work, and here what we say, the applique work which this top includes is a purely hand stitched patch, not unlike other machine stitch. And this top comes with a gorgeous dupatta. This dupatta includes tassels and piping and also kanta work. Kanta work along the dupatta we have the kanta work. And this is a very runny, long 2.5 meters length. It's a very handy, very comfortable. We can wear it on any other dresses, not only for this dress. And here it is. This is the dupatta and this is the top. This is the top and here is the dupatta. This is a set. And this set is priced at 2,600 because of its original genuine purity. Yes, this is a maroon color top with white applique work on neck and edges of the top. Let's open it. Yeah, this is the top. After stitching it, this will look absolutely fabulous. And this is the dupatta. All dupattas are comes in the same fashion with tassels and kanta work all over the dupatta, and it comes with the piping which includes the top cloth. Yes, this is a dupatta, and this is the top. See how beautiful it looks. Yes, here it is. The beautiful maroon top with a gorgeous white dupatta. And this is also priced at 2,600. This is black, evergreen black and red combination. The entire top comes in a black color and red color hand batik print on it. And this is also the same model, like applique works. Applique works come around the neck and edges of the top, and dupatta will be same like previous cloths only. This will be the dupatta. This comes with tassels and kanta weave along the work, and this is a set. Beautiful black and red combination hand batik print top along with the beautiful dupatta. Here it is a green. Green. It's a very lovable color and it's a great combination. Yes. Here this green tops come with applique work and some beautiful flowers on the neck piece. This is the top. Entire top is purely stitched with applique work and hand batik print, and this is the dupatta. Dupatta is same for all the dress materials I am going to show you. Yes. Here is the dupatta, and this is the top. See how beautifully they made it with a green and red and white color combination. Yeah, this is same as previous I have showed you, but it's just different with the print of motifs. Previously it was a little bit large, and in this it's a little bit small. This is also same. Top comes with applique work around the neck and edges, and the same dupatta. Dupatta is same for all the dresses. Same color. Yeah, this is dupatta and top. These are very simple and sober look dress materials. After stitching, you may look absolutely fabulous in this. Blue, yes, favorite combination all the time. It's a dark blue and white combination. Same as the other previous dresses. It comes with applique work around the neck and beautiful flowers. And the chunni here, all the chunnis they complemented with top material as a piping. Yes. This is dupatta. Flowy, simple, runny, super. We can wear it any occasions. Not only for this top, you can use this dupattas for any other tops. Yes. Here it is. It's a cute combination of blue and white. All the tops are here. They comes with hand batik print and applique work, which is purely hand stitched applique work. And the dupattas here comes with kantha work and tassels and applique as a border. Okay. Next, in this there is a little bit change. I'll show you. Yes, this is the black and maroon combination. In these tops, we don't have the applique work around the neck. These tops, they remain same all over the total entire length. This is the black and maroon combination top, and dupatta here a little bit change. Previously, I have showed all the dupattas in off-white color. Here, this comes in maroon color, which they already made a set for this top. Yes, it's a beautiful maroon color dupatta along with tassels and kantha work all over the dupatta. Yes, this is the top and this is the dupatta. Rich, elegant combination of that. This is priced at 2,300. Next, yes, it's a mustard yellow color top, hand batik print all over the body, and black and mustard color dupatta. This is same as the previous one. It doesn't include the applique work on it. This also comes with tassels on it. Yes. Yes. This is a dupatta which is gorgeous black and mustard color combination with tassels, and this is the top, pure mustard color top. This is also priced at 2,300. And another one is a black and orange combination top and dupatta. The top comes with hand batik print. It's a beautiful mango print, and the dupatta here is orange and black combination. I'll show you. This is a dupatta which comes with the tassels on it and kantha work all over the dupatta. See how beautifully they paired this all materials. All these materials are pure genuine cotton. You can feel it. You can even see it, how runny, how flowy these are. Very flowy, very handy, very comfortable all time. Yes, this is how it looks. Perfect, gorgeous black and orange top and dupatta. This is also priced at 2,300. Yes, it's a navy blue top. You can see the material. It's very light and very soft, smooth. Whatever you can represent the comfort zone. This is a top which comes with handbag print on it, and this is a dupatta. It's a black dupatta, same as previous one, and it comes with kantha work all over and complemented with beautiful tassels in the top. Here, this doesn't include applique work. This is also priced at 2,300. This is cute, simple, and sober. All these are pure cotton tops. Yes, this is the last one in this. This is a grey color top which comes with hand batik print in a square pattern, and here this is dupatta. The dupatta is very light, smooth, simple, and it also runs same like the kantha work all over the dupatta, and it comes with tassels, beautiful tassels, and here it is the top. What a cute combo. This is also priced at 2,300. All these are pure Rajasthani crafts, and they show the rich culture, traditional culture of Rajasthan, which is very famous for their applique work and hand batik print. These are all available in our website. please visit our website for further details. You can contact me on the below number we have given. Thank you.